So what we're going to take off is these two 18mm bolts, followed by these screws that come all the way through. I'm going to use this 1/4. Okay, you see how that all comes out? I got it upside down right now for you guys. Just put it on there. I used the 1/4 to take off this one and 18mm to take off the nut. Just like I took it out, put the bolt. I'll lift up here in just a second and then take out this plate that's underneath as soon as I gain access to the bolts that are down there. Give me 1 second. We're going to take those out. Okay, 13mm. The reason why there's a gap like that is because we raised the engine. You raise up the engine with the jack. Please be careful when you're lifting it because the manifold will hit this top. So 13mm nuts. Those are going to come out. And that will give us the space that we need to lower the engine down and try to take out these mortar mounts. Give me 1 second. I'll show you that here in a minute. So see how that cup is now gone? You just put it straight down. That way you guys don't forget the positioning that it is. So this is what you're looking at it from the bottom. That notch is towards the inside, towards the engine. The not notched part goes towards the outside, towards the wheel. Those are those two nuts. And Alonso already took off that side. Right, Alonso?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we can lower the engine down and gain access to that mortar mount. But I just wanted to show you guys what that looked like without that plate. All right, both sides. Remember, driver and passenger. Okay, guys, so I'm on the passenger side. So you can see the mortar mount is out. I put it back together kind of with a lower cap with the two nuts on there. That way I don't lose my position of what it needs to look like. The bolts, they're 15mm. I came up with this little contraption right here, so I can reach in there and take them out. So that mortar, the driver's side mortar mount is out, just like the passenger side, like the one I was showing you right now. But this is the complete driver's side. That's the way it's assembled. I put everything together so I don't forget what I'm doing because this SRT8 is getting more work done to it. But if you guys just want to know how to take out the mortar mounts, that's pretty much it. You guys are done. Put in your other ones, replace them, and then it's just reverse order from there. So like I said, 15mm bolts, the 13s down here for those nuts, 18s, and then I use that 1/4 inch to unscrew these out. And then just a jack to support your engine, you know, to lift up. You wiggle those out. You guys will have a bunch of fun taking off those ones. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys smash the like button and please subscribe. I would really appreciate the support. Thank you guys. You guys have a good night.